Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've forgotten your RBC password or your login is locked, resetting the password is the fastest fix. Here's how to reset it. Open the RBC mobile app and tap on the Forget Password on the login screen. Enter your client card number or your username and verify your identity using the security code that was sent to you. Create a new password that meets RBC security rules and confirm it. The password that you're creating must be a unique and different type of password from the previous password that you put. Make sure it has uppercase, lowercase, underscores, and numbers if they are able to be put in. Make sure it is strong so that people won't have access to your data or privacy. And then after resetting the password, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for RBC, and then swipe it away. Then reopen it and log in again using the new password. If reset still fails, wait a few minutes before trying again to avoid temporary lockout. A password reset fixes most login problems instantly, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.